Hey guys, today as you can see I managed to make one you can call it wooden flower pot or tomatoes. It can be strawberry, it can be anything in here. And then actually in my previous project I built these two pots with legs on it, and just for strawberry and flowers and different things. And then today I just got an idea that why I shouldn't put a wheel on it, so it can be like a train. And then for example the driver area, which can be used for having tomatoes hanging on it. So and then I just made some wheels and I try to make it look like a train, wooden train. And then of course I connected them a little bit with some chain just for to look good. So this was my project for today. I hope you guys like it, and you can try to do the same or something similar, and please share. Thank you.